Welcome to unboxing the training knife and expandable sheath from tackknife.com. I'm Chris Rockhold at Rockhold Karate. Today I'm going to unbox the Keen Edge T3 training Tanto and the tackknife.com expandable sheath. So I'm going to go get set up and be right back. And I'm back. Let's get this thing unboxed, quote unquote unboxed. It's actually a bag. Cool thing about this is, cool story I should say, is that I had a little internet mishap. I got the email notice for the sheath, so I ran to the website real quick and clicked on it, or thought I did, to order it, and then ordered the training knife as well. Well, turns out I only ordered one item. And then, ooh, haha, little extras. Let's see what that's all about in a minute. Oh, and my invoice. Thanks, Chris. Oh, that's cool. All right. Getting the sheaths out here, and then the training knife. Anything else in there? No, it's out of here. Anyway, to sum up, I clicked on what I thought was getting the knife, and then I went ahead and got the sheaths ordered. So it turns out when I did the pay, I only ordered the sheaths, not the knife, so I had to go back order the knife. So I figured 2 orders coming, 2 different shipping costs, whatnot. Well, these guys at tackknife.com saw my goof and they corrected it. So they combined the order, which was totally awesome. You guys rock. And, you know, kicked $5 back to me for shipping. I don't need that anymore. So that was very excellent of them. All right, so tackknife.com koozie. How cool is that? And some training tools. So, oh, it's a goodie bag. Look at that. It's got 2 suckers. Oh, that's amazing. All right, and a pen and post-it notes. Oh, these guys know me. Post-it notes. Excellent. And a business card. How cool is that? Thanks for the goodie bag there, guys. Appreciate that. But really, here's what I wanted. This expandable sheath. So I've been anxious to see how this works. The problem is when you're training in uniform, like I do, sometimes I train out of uniform, regular clothes. That's not a problem with most sheaths. Get that out of the way. But this one is supposed to be expandable, and it's supposed to work on hooking in with the gi, or in this case, dobok. And it looks like, oh yeah, looks like it'll clip onto my belt. So the sheath itself has 8 positions, it says on their website. So I'm clicking through different positions. Good for lefties or righties, reverse grip, you name it. So we're gonna put that to the test in a minute. I'm gonna bust out this other one. I got 2 because, you know, got a whole host of knives over there. We'll go grab one in a minute to see if it works for this. But mainly, I wanted to see how it did with the training Tanto. All right, so this is the Keen Edge T3 Chisel Point Training Tanto. Oh, that's very nice. So it's similar to a cold steel tactical Tanto. I think that's what they based it on. But this is made by Keen Edge Knives, but tackknife.com sells it readily available. And it is very nice training knife. Oh yeah, look at that. Very nice. So let's see how this bad boy looks in the sheath. Oh, it fits right in. No problem there. I'm just curious how that works. Yeah, it does expand. Ah, very cool. So let's go ahead and play around with the grippage and clippage. I rhymed and it's such a crime. You're like, stop, man, please. Alright, so since I have my belt double wrapped, let's go to the outer wrapping. As you can see, that hooks in just fine. I can slide it around back and I can click angle it here. So as you can see, it's on my back and I can access the knife. Oops. It puts away very nicely. So I can go for a reverse grip. Okay, and then I can bring it around. Let's go the other way. So I can have it sideways, so I can pull into regular grip. Oh, this is going to be an outstanding training tool. Can already tell, man. Oh, that's freaking awesome. All right, guys, get high marks on this one. So I'm here, boom, clear it. I recommend doing this blind without an actual live blade. So I get stabbed. But training knife, be okay. No worries. So I'm gonna go to the other side here. So cross gripping. Actually, let's just go the long way. We'll go that way. There we go. All right. So now I've got a cross grip, old school samurai style. Boom. I can go lefty, reverse grip. This is very cool. All right, so let me go grab another generic training knife here. We'll grab one of the Sharkies, the bigger one. This is why I got the extra one. The Tanto, I knew it was gonna fit. But you've got the Sharky, it's a little bit bigger, as you can see, a little fatter blade than the keen edge. And let's see how that fits. Oh yeah, look at that. Cool. So I can have that stashed around back. Different way, tilted it. Let's get back to where we can see. Okay. Yeah. So now in training scenarios, we can work on quick draw and go to town. So it's very cool. Different positions, play around with it more. But again, I think this will hit the mark. Okay, that clip works really well on the belt. It's just stuck. It's not gonna come off easy. Good job. Seriously, dude. There we go. Almost there. Now I can, let's see, clip it inside the uniform a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that. So inside the Dobak, boom, there you go. Maybe the keen edge one would be better for that one. Oh yeah. So training, you can get to work. Nice. And then back into the sheath. And there it is. Different positions. Upside down, holding it pretty well. Look at that. Oh, there it goes. I had to do it harder now. It's still pretty good. Actually, I didn't have it all the way in there. So now it should be. Oh yeah, look at that. There it goes. All right. Overall, pretty good. Very happy with the purchase. So that's tackknife.com for the expandable sheath, 8-position nylon clip, and good for lefties and righties. What can I tell you? Again, thanks for the goodie bag, guys. I probably mentioned you like 50 times already, so that was awesome. And then, of course, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with these training tools. So there you have it. There's the unboxing of tackknife.com, the keen edge training knife, Tanto, the T3 Tanto, yeah, and the expandable nylon clip. So, and sheath clip, rather. Totally worth buying. Get different knives in there. Works with different size knives. And you're good to go. All right. So there you have it. So until the next unboxing, keep sharpening your mind, your body, and your character. Take it easy.